Back with another video on confirmation trading. Here we're going to look at the DXY chart. Although we won't be trading on the DXY, I just want to show you how it works because it's quite relevant in prices at this point right now on Monday the 20th of April. Here we have our daily chart, and price is reacting off this demand zone quite nicely, but I just want to go through why this demand zone was quite strong and why I think that this is a good demand zone. So we've got a downward trend line here, and price breaks that downward trend line. Also having a nice tight pacing candle area here. This is our old supply zone, and you can see that price broke that as well. So these two protocols that price broke here. So it's downward trend line removal and a supply zone removal that's creating this area of demand. We have a clear uptrend here with a nice trend line. Price broke this trend line at this point here with this candle, creating the supply zone because it's a removal of a trend line. Creating the supply zone here, but we're not going to talk about this here in this video. This demand zone acted like a magnet, so price just came down and tapped it nicely. Basically, institutions placed their orders and getting refilled here. So I expect that price will move up here from here, but obviously we can't take trades on a daily time frame, so we would have to go down to our entry time frame. So let's just go over our notes. Price reacted off a daily zone. That was a signal to go down to our H1, which is our confirmation. No trades taken on a daily time frame alone because obviously it's quite a higher time frame to take trades. We have to go down to a 1 hour or even or at least at the 4 hour, but the daily and the 1 hour work very well together. So no trades taken on the daily, and confirmation is needed on our 1 hour time frame. So this is our 1 hour time frame on the DXY. Here we have a clear downward trend line, and price removed it, creating this supply zone here. Demand zone here. Let's just go back a little bit and see what's happening with price here. This we had a good demand zone here because price reacted nicely off it and then broke it. So this supply here with this explosive move down here, this supply was a good one in this case because it removed this tested demand zone here. Price then came up and broke this trend line. So we have two protocols that we followed here: a supply zone removal and a trend line removal, just like on the daily, making it a good demand zone. We drew it here. What I don't like about it is that it's not as clear as this example here. We got this step-like formation here, which is not the clearest because we got this wicks and this long wicks here. So, but we did draw it in any case, and we would wait for price to tap in the zone here, entry at the proximal line and stop loss here below. Yeah, and that's our confirmation. We use our daily, and then we drop down to our 1 hour and then look for the same protocols to be removed in order to draw our zones. If you like this video, you can check us out on Instagram as well, and yeah, we can chat there.